Hey all, this is Dave from Heads Up. We've been getting a lot of questions about how to import the TruDiagnostic data into the system so you can start to track these very fascinating longevity metrics for your clients and patients. So first I'm going to show you how to actually import the results from TruDiagnostic into Heads Up for each client. Then I'm going to show you how to review the data for each individual client. And then I'm going to show you how to review the TruDiagnostic data for all clients. So let's get started. I'm signed in to my professional account here, and I've got my list of test clients. The first thing we need to do is actually get the TruDiagnostic results into Heads Up. So this is the TruDiagnostic portal, which you will have access to, or your clients will have access to. This is where the results are published. So you can see I have my summary report results available from April 22nd. So the first thing we need to do is get the data into Heads Up, and I'm going to open the report. This one will have all the results on it, and I'm going to basically just download that to a PDF file. That's what we'll need in order to import it into Heads Up. I'm going to put that in my downloads folder and save it. So that's step one, is we need the PDF file from TruDiagnostic with the results. Next, I'm going to log into my Heads Up account, and I'm going to use the concierge service to have that data extracted and loaded properly into the client's account. So click on concierge, and we're going to ask you to supply that same PDF file we just downloaded and tell us which client it's for. So that's the process to upload the result. And you'll get an email once the file has been processed. Once you get that email, you can log in, click on that very same client, click on the labs page, and you'll see the drop-down menu here for TruDiagnostic, and you can start to track all the results from the TruDiagnostic reports. We will automatically have the data stored and structured in the system. It will be organized from newest to oldest automatically. You'll be able to click on the test name and see a trend line. So this is a good trend line. The rate of aging has come down for this individual client from the first test back in 2020 to the most recent test in 2024. Those are exactly the kinds of trends we want to be able to show clients visually. That really helps them get invested and engaged and stick with the journey. So that's how you can review the data here for each individual client. Now, for some of you, you might want to make some of these metrics more visible for the client and have them right on their dashboard. And if you click on the test name, you'll see this option, Show on Dashboard. Once you do that, you'll also see that same result on your client's dashboard. So it'll be front and center for them here, in addition to also having it on the labs page. So that's how you get the data in for each individual client. That's how you review the data for each individual client. Now, to review the data for all clients, just go ahead and click on Signals. And in the Custom Reports folder, we've created a leaderboard to help you see all of the results. Currently, we have this for the PACE algorithm, but if you'd like us to create this for any of the other TruDiagnostic results, let us know, and we'll build a similar leaderboard. And what you're seeing here is an explanation of the leaderboard. It will show you each individual client or patient. It will show you their baseline testing here. It will show you their most recent test here. And then it will show you the percent improvement. So you can see this client started at 1.04 and their most recent was 0.71. They've done 3 total tests. We've improved the rate of aging for this client by 31.73%. That's how to read this data. There's more explanation here. If you've got a lot of clients, you can come and quickly sort them from highest to lowest in terms of improvement. You can sort by who's actually got the best result most recently. So I've got one client here that's down to 0.67 on the do, need, and pace algorithm. And then you'll have each individual result down here. So you can drill into each person, see the exact test result, and see the exact date. So that's how we can start to look at who's really accelerating progress on their longevity journey, which clients may actually need a little more attention or aren't getting the achieved results. So you can start to then personalize the approach for each person, but you've got everyone's results on the same screen. We'll be adding more of these types of reports with TruDiagnostic. And don't forget, we can custom build any other kind of report you want. Just get in touch with our customer success team and we can take it from there. Thanks.